Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Gadgetston. We are uploading tech gadgets related products frequently. In this video you will find TNICER motorcycle Bluetooth headset, T3 helmet Bluetooth headset 8-way 1000 meters motorcycle helmet Bluetooth with noise cancellation, audio multitasking, 3 sound effects and universal pairing. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. The TNICER T3 bike Bluetooth headset makes use of an optimized Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip. This is incredibly strong and keeps low power consumption. Supports 8 riders real-time intercom, and the most powerful communique distance among bikes is set 1000 meters if there aren't any barriers, which includes buildings. T3's audio multitasking generation lets in you to have helmet Bluetooth headset intercom whilst concurrently paying attention to track or GPS navigation. Forget the frustrations of interruption-primarily based totally audio features of beyond Bluetooth communique devices. The T3's audio capabilities won't interrupt every other, however surely overlay for a easy listening revel in.Have you been seeking out a bike helmet Bluetooth with suitable noise reduction? T3 will meet your needs. T3 bike helmet headset integrated CSR's CVC generation through high electricity and high definition headphone and seasoned wind noise evidence mic, nonetheless offer you with incredible sound in high speed. Underneath 120 km per hour, driving.We were running constantly to enhance the audio revel in whilst riding, and after an extended length of optimization this selection is available. T3 bike helmet headset is ready with 3 forms of sound, which includes pop, vocal, rock. T3 bike headphones can offer you with an exceptional audio revel in with inside the helmet.Worried. Approximately the trouble of inadequate battery electricity of the Bluetooth headset because of lengthy rides. T3 bike helmet's Bluetooth, with 1000 mAh Li-Polymer battery. It affords up to 25 hours of track, 15 hours of intercom, and 350 hours of standby time. Moreover, T3 bike helmet Bluetooth has widespread pairing feature, which all is like-minded with maximum of the helmet makes.